What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's Quick Look video. My name is Josh, and today I'm looking at the brand new 90mm F3.5 macro lens from omsystem. The omsystem lineup is continuing to grow, adding an incredibly versatile lens that will provide an exceptional outdoor macro experience. The 90mm macro is able to capture images up to a full 2 times in magnification and 4 times with the new MC20 teleconverter, allowing for astounding detail. This lens features built-in image stabilization up to 7 stops of shutter speed compensation when paired with a camera with 5-axis sync IS. The lens itself only weighs 453 grams and features 18 different lens elements in 13 groups, allowing for greatly suppressed chromatic aberration when shooting close up. For anyone shooting outdoors, the lens is rated at IP53, which means it is dustproof, splashproof, and freeze-proof down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The 90mm macro also features high-speed, high-precision autofocus across the entire range, even when shooting close-up macro. A few other important features include a focusing limit switch, a manual focus clutch for rapid transitions from autofocus to manual, and a custom function button for even more customization. Overall, this 90mm macro is definitely a welcome addition to any wildlife, landscape, and macro photographers or videographers kits. It's sharp, lightweight, compact, and allows users to create images that are difficult or sometimes impossible with other lenses. Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's Quick Look video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about the omsystem 90mm macro or anything else camera related, please do not hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, reach out on one of our socials, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.